come with me to give my sheep a nightly snack. Sorry it's a little dark. We got done with chores a little bit late, but now it's snacky. Oh, she wants some. I can't tell who it is from here. Come on, you want a snack? It's Pickles! It's my favorite one. She says, ooh, snack. If I had another hand, I'd feed her out of my hand. Oh, here comes Dolly. Scarlett's like, I want some. Pickles says, this is tasty. You better leave some for the rest of them. I'm getting followed now. Like it's the run meme. Yeah. I'll add it in. Come here. I forgot the words. Come here. Here's Polly. Oh God. Patricia. Hi, Patricia. I might die. They're blatting at me now. Here's Sally. Oh, Sally. What the heck? Scarlett, are you okay? You're eating. You're so weird. Ah. No, this is a horror movie, but more realistic. So if I just run away, Pickles is like, give me snack, because I'm the best. Stop biting the whole thing. She says she's the best sheep. They're all just gathering in that spot. Oh my God. Well, if you guys never see any more posts from me, you know what happened. I got eaten by sheep. Scarlett wants some. I want to feed. Who wants a snack? Beans wants one. We love beans. Oh my God, Patricia! I just put some on Sally's head. Oh, here's Taffy. They're very hungry. Oh my goodness! Princess, oh Phoenix! It's a Fifi. Oh my! Oh, I just got shoved by a sheep. I'm just pouring it on their heads. Who wants the last bit? Oh my God, Fifi's head. Okay, beans. Okay, beans. I'm sorry that this is like all over the place. This is the reality of having sheep. Here, eat some. Whoever you are. Where's Phoenix? Your face. I dropped the cup. Excuse me. Excuse you. Okay, I'll just run away. Run away. Oh, I have the cup in my hand. Wow, I'm a little stupid. Oh, look at the clouds. They're so pretty. There's a storm coming in. Oh, and if you guys wanted to know, we're getting a well dug. So I'll update you guys on that. Right now, we just have the beginning of the well where they just put the first pipe in. I don't know what it's called. Fifi says, hello. Okay, well, if you guys want more videos of me feeding my sheep, just leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.